Dear parents, good morning. Dr. Zafir with you. Today I will share with you about COVID-19 vaccine in breastfeeding mother. The fact is, clinical trials for the COVID-19 vaccines currently authorized for use under an emergency authorization in the United States did not include women who are breastfeeding, because the vaccines have not been studied on lactating mother. There are no data available, but overall the vaccine is very well tolerated with minimal side effects. Getting vaccinated is a personal choice. Any of the currently authorized COVID-19 vaccines can be offered to who are breastfeeding, while organizations and experts recommend vaccination. It is best to check with your healthcare provider as well as COVID-19 vaccine center. Now you have two options. With the vaccine, you are accepting the risk of side effects, which is very minimal. Without the vaccine, you are accepting the risk of getting COVID, which can potentially be devastating and sometimes life-threatening. The choice is yours. A straightforward question is, can breastfeeding moms get the COVID-19 vaccine? The short answer is yes. Most experts and organizations recommend the breastfeeding women should receive the COVID-19 vaccine, because non-replicating vaccines pose no risk for lactating women or their infants. COVID-19 vaccines are also thought not to be a risk to the breastfeeding infant. Therefore, lactating mother may choose to be vaccinated. The available research suggests that nursing women don't have any more adverse outcomes than anyone else. So, not to be confused, important is, please note that American College of Obstetrics and Gynecology and the Academy of Breastfeeding Medicine recommend that breastfeeding women get vaccinated. Now, your concern, why haven't breastfeeding mothers been included in vaccine trials? This is a very valid question. Pregnant and breastfeeding women are almost always excluded from clinical trials, so it is not unusual. By this time, you must be scratching your head. How should I make the decision? Still unsure about whether to get the COVID-19 vaccine while breastfeeding? Start by checking out the website of the CDC, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. When considering whether to get the vaccine while breastfeeding, it's important to ask your healthcare provider and the vaccination center in the context of your own personal risk. For example, if you have underlying health problems like diabetes, high blood pressure, or lung disease that increase your risk of having a more severe form of COVID, you may be more inclined to get the vaccine while breastfeeding. You may also be more interested to get vaccinated if you have a high-risk job, like if you are a teacher, if you are a nursing home worker, if you are a healthcare worker, grocery store cashier, where you are exposing to the COVID infection. COVID vaccine is a messenger RNA vaccine, meaning that no dead or alive COVID-19 viruses are put in your body. In other words, mothers and their babies can't get infected with the coronavirus through the vaccine. So, what is the take-home message? COVID-19 vaccine should be offered to lactating mothers similar to non-lactating mothers. There is no need to avoid initiation or discontinue breastfeeding in women who receive a COVID-19 vaccine. Vaccination can be offered to breastfeeding women if they are part of a group prioritized for vaccination. WHO doesn't recommend discontinuation of breastfeeding after vaccination. American College of Obstetrics and Gynecology recommends COVID-19 vaccine be offered to lactating individuals. Antibodies that mom produces after vaccine will pass through the breast milk and may confer protection for the baby also. Mothers and their babies can't get infected with the coronavirus through the vaccine. If you like this informative video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Stay blessed.